Hello friends, welcome back to the another video lecture of OOP1 subject. Currently we are discussing about the collection interface. In previous video lecture we have discussed about collection interface, what is iterator and what is array list. We have also discussed example of them. This was the uh, whole scenario. We have implemented our collection, then after list, and we have used array list. In today's video lecture, we will discuss about the linked list class of the collection interface. Okay, so we will start with the linked list. Linked list is a sequence of links which contains items. Each link contains a connection to the another link. So that thing we have already discussed into data structures. Here we will implement it. To create an object of linked list, we will have scenario, or you can say syntax, like linked list, then object name is equal to new linked list. We will have this type of methods available for the linked list. Add method, contains method, add at specific index, add first, add last. We will also know the size with the size method, remove method, index of method, and last index of method. So these are the methods of linked list. We will discuss it by example. So this is the example of our linked list. In linked list again we have implemented some classes which are available into util package. So here we have imported java.star.util.star. So here our class is linked list example. In it our main method is there. Here we have created our object of linked list. Here linked list al is equal to new linked list. Here you can see we have put this type of symbols. So this type of symbol are used to make generics. Generic specifies the data type of the particular list. So here if we put string after the linked list, and here also we put the string, then this linked list will get only and only string data types value. It cannot contains the other data types value. If we remove this string from the here, so it can store the value of any data types. Okay, here we have created al object of linked list. Here we will add the elements into the our linked list. So we will add three elements. One is Rajit, second one is Rahul, and third one is Rajat. Now if we print al, then it will print all the elements. We will see it by a demo. Here I will comment all this code. So our program is linked list. So java space linked list java. So here we can see that our all the three elements are printed: Rachit, Rahul, and Rajat. Okay, now we will move further. If we want to add KD onto the first index, then we will have syntax like a1 dot add index, then KD. So we will add KD onto the first index. So we will again run it. So here we can say at the first index, this is the 0 index, this is the first index. So here the first index our value is KD is there. We have updated the linked list. If we want to add element on the first index, then we will have method like add first. So here add first Hari. So here we can again check. So in this linked list, Hari, Rachit, KD, Rahul, and Rajat. So at the first index we have add Hari. By the same we can add, sorry, I have to comment this code. If I want to add the way at the last index, so my method is add last, and I will add the way at the last index. So here I can check that Rachit, KD, Rahul, Rajat and Dave. So I have added Dave at the last index. Okay. If I want to remove, then I will have the remove method here. Remove then Dave. So I will remove the Dave from the linked list. So here I can check that only Rajit, KD, Rahul and Rajat is there, the way is removed. Next is index of Hari. I want to find the index of Hari, but if I want to find the index of Dave, I will make it Dave. So here it is returning -1 because here the way is not available into my linked list. If I add the way into my linked list again and check that index of the way, then it will return the index of the way. Okay, so I am adding the way into my linked list. So here I have added the way into my linked list and check the index of the way. So first of all, its size is 5 because my method al dot size means object dot size return the size. So 1 2 3 4 5 size is 5 and index of the way is 4. Why? Because our index is start from the 0. So Rachit will be at the 0, KD at the 1, Rahul will be at the 2, Rajat will be at the 3 and the way at the 4. So index of the way is 4. This index of method will return the index of any element. If the way is not there, then it will return the -1. Okay, so this is it for today's video lecture. This is the demo for the linked list collection in Java. If you like this video, then like, comment and subscribe. Also share it with your friends. Thank you, friends.